Hello everybody. Today I'll show you how to use PastaSwap um, and earn passive income. So I got into this Pasta BNB. I earned some pastas and I am in Pasta Dodo and I earned about 13. I started this one 3 days ago and this is 13.6 pasta I earned right now. I think I put about $100 here, and this is like $5. 13.6 pasta is it's about $5 or $5 to $7 American. So yeah, so in the 3 days I made $5 and by putting $100. So this is looks really good right now, and also I'm in pasta sushi liquidity pool, and I got 21 pastas in like 3 days. So that's like almost like half of it. So it's $10 here. This is like another. Oh wow, this is like $12 in 3 days. I put pasta and bake steak. So yeah, as you can see, it looks good. The pasta was about dollar something, but then it went down to 50 cents right now. I really like pasta. Their Alexa ranking is around 200,000, so they're not very popular right now. So a lot of people kind of stay away from it. It's okay. Do what you think it's good for you. So I've been earning some pasta, so I have no problem. So now, since I made this kind of pasta, I'm gonna harvest them. 13.64 pasta. I'll take them out and then I'm gonna put them on another pool. So okay, I got that one out, and then I'm gonna take this 21 pasta, this 24 pasta, and then I'm gonna start. I'll either go try to compound it, or I could go get into this pasta bake liquidity pool because this is really good. This has been paying me very well. Like as I said, this $12 I made in like I think 3 days. Yeah, in 3 days I made $12. That's pretty good. And my initial investment is about $200 or so. About $200, $200 to $300, not more than that. So it's pretty good right now. So yeah, so that came out. Pasta Dodo, that's good. And then see, in the meanwhile, in the last 20 seconds, I own 0.006 pasta, so that's good. They're giving out pasta right now, which is good. And I'm gonna take this one out as well. Okay, confirm. So I think I'm paying a little bit of fee. That's okay with me because I'm making money here, so it's fine. And then so what I can do right now is I can go to the pasta pool. I already put 5 pasta and I'm earning interest here a little bit. This is like 10 times. I can